misleading message. Injustice. They are doing injustice to Tamil Nadu. They are ruining the future of Tamil Nadu students. They are not doing justice. They are undemocratic, uncivilized. Today is 10th March. 20 more days are within March. The last date of the financial year of 2025 is up to 31st March. Government of India is open and ready. The kind of discussion we had with in previous months, if they will, they are now, they have changed their stand. Tamil Nadu government has ready to sign Government of India for accepting PMCD. Few of my members, few of my MP colleagues came to see me. They came to the who raised the question. She also came to see me with Honorable Education Minister of Tamil Nadu. They agreed. They went back. They have a U-turn. It is their problem. Let them come. And Government of India is open on this issue. Many more stickers are many more non-BJP states, especially Congress, Karnataka. Let me give the example. Karnataka is accepting the NEP and they have some reservation verbally on NEP. Implementing PM3 in Himachal, they are implementing PM3. Right now, my friend, Congress friend from Amritsar raised a question. It's a non-BJP rule state. The state Government of India is giving financial allocation. Portion. They are dishonest, my dear friends. They are dishonest. They are not committed to Tamil Nadu students. They are the future of Tamil Nadu students. Their only job is to raise language passion. They are doing politics. They are doing mischief. This is unfortunate in the federal state. They can't allege allegation against Government of India. They are misleading themselves. Justice. They are doing injustice to Tamil Nadu. They are ruining the future of Tamil Nadu students. They are not doing justice. They are undemocratic, uncivilized. They are devouring the right of Tamil Nadu students to have a pan-Indian education model. Government of India is ready and open. Let them come back. What they have promised. I can quote the date on 15th March. 15th March, they are sent a MOU. Why they back out? Let them tell. Why they back out? My information, their chief minister was ready to accept that. Some super chief minister, some new person came up. My dear sister Kanimoti is here. Honest to the people of Tamil Nadu. Let's be honest to the people of Tamil Nadu. She only came to me few days. He's the education minister. Their education is the framework. They are dishonest. This unfortunate. Democracy. They are trying to cover up their failure. They are trying to do politics. This is unfortunate, sir.